We're going to assemble the Bissell BG22 rubber bladed sweeper. In the box you'll find 4 sections. There's the handle section, which is obvious. And there's the piece that connects to the floor unit, which has a little bushing inside. There are 2 identical threaded rods. These will be assembled together. The piece with the bushing goes on the bottom. The handle goes on the top. Okay, you want to be careful not to cross thread it. It's a rather fine thread. You just want to get it together like this. And snug it up. You'll feel it when it stops. So I connect the pieces. Connect the handle. The 4 pieces of the handle are now assembled with the grip on top, with the bushing on the bottom. Find the threaded top to the BG22 and make your final connection.